today we're here on a field trip for the students to get some real-world applications of some of the social studies topics we cover. They're learning about the pioneer days, how we did things without technology, which I think is a great, skill for them to learn.
You get to learn what they did and do mostly what they do in the 1800s and the 1900s.
They've been blown away. They've been really amazed. They love hearing the cannons go off. They asked me, did people really do this? And so I think that's just going to be a lifelong lesson for them to really go back and see how things were years and years before they were even born.
What have you learned since you've been here?
A lot about what it was like back then, and a lot about laundry and cannons and how they used to load cannons back in the 1800s.
We can tell students all the amazing facts all day, but until they really put their hands on something, that's when it really solidifies and they're able to remember this when they're older and apply it to other things that they do. So it's really a great, unique experience for them to be out here involved in this activity.